Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Coinbase's advanced security features. Alright, if you've been wondering how to enable Coinbase's advanced security features, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one, just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can choose to do so on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the settings tab. And there you're going to click on there you're going to click on security, and then you're going to enable advanced security features. So you have features such as two-factor authentication, IP whitelisting, and others. You can just go through that, and you can set up the advanced security features settings. And then once all that setting is done, you just want to confirm the advanced security features setup and save that, and Coinbase is going to set that up for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to enable Coinbase's advanced security features. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in